guys, welcome back to my channel, Aesthetics with me. So today I'm going to show you guys how to do ombre letters and like fancy looking words on Vont. So before we get started, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. So the first app you need is Vont, and remember that Vont only takes videos and not photos, but for photos there is Fonto, and Vont or the Fonto are from the same company, so it's going to be the same for both apps. So you want to go into Vont and press the camera button, then press load new video, and you're going to choose the video you want to edit. You're going to tap anywhere on the screen, add text, and you're going to write whatever you want to write. Okay, I'm just going to write that. Okay, and after you write whatever you want to write, you're going to press style, and there are these three buttons that says text, stroke, and background. On text, at the bottom here, it says create color pattern. So you're going to click create color pattern. For each box, you're going to choose a different color. So I'm going to choose pink, purple, blue, and mint green. And we'll do green. Okay, and then at the top there are these three buttons that say horizontal, save, and apply. We're going to click on horizontal and press horizontal. It's going to make this ombre effect that's going to look something like this. But you can also do vertical, or you could do character by character or word by word. That will look something like this. So I'm just going to do horizontal. Then you're going to, if you want to save the style to use in the future, you're going to press save, and then there are these three lines beside all these boxes, and that say patterns and my patterns. You are going to click on the pattern you just did, and you can use that in the future, but I don't really want that, so I'm just going to delete them. Then you're going to press apply and then stroke, and you can pick a color, and at the bottom there's width. It says width at the bottom, and one second, right here it says width, and you can use this bar to make it thicker or thinner. So I'm just gonna make it like this. Then background, you can also do, like, if you want to do a background, you can also do that. Then at the top it says style. Right here it says color and it says style. So you're gonna go on style, and you can, there are like shadow, spacing, underline, and blend. For shadow, you can like pick a color, and you can have like a shadow in the background of your photos or your text, and it will look like this. And this looks pretty cool in my opinion. So yeah. And you can also like, one second. Okay. You can also do the same thing with stroke. If you scroll down, it says create color pattern. For each box, you can choose a new color. Okay, I'm just going to choose a bunch of colors. Then you can press apply. And again, with width, you can make it thicker or thinner. And it looks like this. And it looks pretty cool in my opinion. So yeah, that's it for this video. It's a pretty short video, but I hope this video helps you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!